start today an activity about the professionals. Professionals, it will be improve and increase the knowledge and information of the students, as I mean to say learners. Learners will know easily about the information of professions. There are many kinds of profession, and the professionals cards which have been provided us our government. Now one here is one flashcard of profession. Here is a description of the profession, and here is a picture of the relation with the profession. So, dear learners, you can easily describe, easily match with the picture by this description. This description, students will easily match it, and they are knowing about the many kinds of professions, and they can describe it. And in this way, we will, our learners going to take part in these activities. They are doing more and more and practice it more and more. So it would be very easy for them to read, to describe any kinds of material, of reading material, paragraph, text material, and the stories are also, they can easily describe it by themselves. So we will start the description of the students. Hello Rehan. Show picture and description. Could you describe the description with the picture?
Yes.
Describe. Describe orally.
I am a mechanic. I use tools. I repair machine.
Oh, nice. Nice. Good. Zaid, start. Could you describe?
Yes, sir.
Yes, describe now.
I am the grocery vendor. I sell groceries and the fruits,
Very good. I sell spices
spices,
and grains
grains.
also. Oh, nice. Super. Hello, Sumaya. Show me your card. Here is the description. And where is the picture? Could you describe? Describe now.
I am an architect. I design buildings and landscape. I supervise building construction.
Oh, nice. Are you ready, Aisha? Show me the card. Here is description card. Could you match the picture with the profession? Yes. Could you describe the profession?
I am a driver. I am driver school bus. I help students to reach school.
Hello, Yasmin. Stand up. Show me your card. Where is the picture card? Will you join with the description? Yes, 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 yes. Will you explain the description orally?
Yes.
Say loudly.
Yes.
Don't afraid. Say.
I am a vegetable vendor. I sell fresh vegetables. I sell organic vegetables too.
Hello Nashra. Where is your card? Here is description card. Will you describe?
Yes, sir.
First, you match the description with the picture. Could you give me demo? Yes. Now start.
I am a doctor. I treat patients in my clinic. I tried the poor free.
Treat है वो. Thank you. Hello Masira. Could you show me your card? Will you match the picture with the description? Could you say about the description?
Yes, sir. I
हाँ.
am a lawyer. I practice law in court. I give advice in matters of law.
Yes. You are presenting orally. Nice. Who will describe now? Yes, you say, you stand. And this one is second one. There are many kinds of different charts of professional materials card here. Now,
I am an artist. I use color. I draw pictures.
oh, superb. Hi. How are you?
High five.
Show me your card, Arshad. Could you explain? So please explain it.
I am a tailor.
As you
Tailor.
clothes.
Clock.
I
I stitch button.
stitch buttons. Oh, nice. Very nice. Sit down. Hello, Ayan. Show me your card. Match the picture with the description. Yes. Could you try to describe?
I am a florist.
Yes.
I sell flower and birds.
Bouquet.
Bouquets. I
Make
make
flower.
flowers decoration.
Oh, shabash. Nice. Sit down. Asifa, please show me your card. Describe it.
I am a
farmer.
farmer.
I use a plough. Nice. I grow crops. Nice. Sit down. You match the picture with the description.
I am a carpenter.
Will you raise your voice? तुम आवाज बढ़ाओगे? Now say loudly. I use. I make.
Signature.
In this way, we can take much more practice about the professional and the description of it. We will give our learners a project for the concerning of the profession. So there are different kinds of profession, and the picture card and the related material and description also provided here. So it could be very easy